Hello, my name is Eamon. Welcome to my second video. Today I will be showing you through the necessary steps in order to install and get iOS XE's virtualized version or CSR1000v ready to play with on VMware Workstation. My setup is VMware Workstation version 10 on Windows 8.1, 64 bits. Okay, so if you are here, you probably already know about Cisco's Viral, the Virtual Internet Routing Lab, which is the multi-purpose network virtualization platform, which is basically a good thing and a good tool to make your job a lot easier by bringing you the virtual machines which run on Cisco networking operating systems, the same ones that run on their physical devices. This was Cisco's answer to GNS3 or any other iOS simulators using virtualization to create virtual network topologies. This set of tools will be as revolutionary as GNS3 but better, as it is said to be at a much larger scale. So it's supposed to be used for, well, you can use it for your certification studies, to validate production designs, and ultimately research. So you'll have time to play with it however you want and conveniently at home with no need to access any other physical devices. So I'd like to show you where to download it, which is here on Cisco's website. The CSR1000v's ISO is free, the demo is at least, but it seems Cisco's having some problems on its website. So just register and download, search for CSR1000v, iOS XE, software, VM, go download it. But at the moment of the creation of this video, they're having a few problems. So at least I still have a snapshot of back when I downloaded mine. So you will see the OVA binaries and the ISO file. I downloaded the ISO file, so I'll be using that. VMware Workstation, file, new virtual machine, keep it custom. Next, I point to the ISO file. Next, other, there shouldn't be any problem at all. CSR, I'll keep the 1. It's recommended to use at least 3 gigs, but I haven't seen any problems with 2. So we'll keep it at that. Next, okay, I'm gonna be changing that one later. Next, create 8 gigs. Okay, leave it at that. Next, and finish. Oh, before we start, you need to know that, okay, opening the virtual network editor. The first interface your virtual machine will be automatically assigned to a management VRF, so it's your management interface. So point it to a host-only VM network. Well, most of mine are host-only, but that's for my proper use, my own use, excuse me. So point it to a VMnet that's host-only. DHP is enabled, but of course you can change from within the CLI and assign any other unused IP address. Okay, I'll be adding VMnet 357 for my other labs that will be shown in my future videos. So just remember 10.11.0 for VMnet 1. Okay. edit. I don't need sound card. Delete. Change this one to unit 1. And as I said, I need 3, 5, and 7 for future videos, so I'll go ahead and do it right now. Okay. 5 and 7. Okay, this happens in VMware all the time. Just check that MAC addresses have been assigned. If not, click on generate. Generate. Okay, and ready. Power on. Okay, we'll be using the virtual console. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take, so I'm gonna be pausing the video until the next menu is ready. Okay, so after a few minutes you will be getting this menu. I went ahead and chose the golden image. Enter. I think this will be taking a while also. No need to wait, I'll skip through it. Okay, so back in business. Okay, I always get this error here, but it hasn't given me any issues, so I just click OK and ignore it. Okay, still loading. I wanted you to see this part because it talks about the product, when it was made, and all those law related things. Then memory assigned to this VM, interfaces. So notice that it says you have only 3 gigabit Ethernet interfaces, even though we assigned 4. That's because, yes, gigabit Ethernet 0 will be assigned to the VRF management. So it will not be shown as a another type of usable interfaces. Okay, turn in interfaces status to up, then down, and still loading. Okay, there. First thing you do, enable and save once. You'll see why. Then reload, enter. You will see in a few seconds. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and say it. As you've seen, you had that configuration, that menu. It had conf and golden image. But once you save, once you save once, this is your image. Whenever you save, it will be put in this image. So I just went ahead and saved once, reloaded, just to show you your image. There. So next time you log in, choose that one. It will have everything you saved, all your configs. Waiting for it to load again. A minute or two. Yeah, relatively CSR1000v is kind of slow, but that's to be expected. Okay, we're back. As you see, the HCP enabled on the VMF1 has given 10.1.1.132 to G Ethernet 0. Host name is router. Okay, there. As you see, keep live not received for 20 seconds. This message will keep going on until it reaches 300 seconds, which is preset value. Then it will force reboot the VM. So to get rid of this problem, simply go to configure terminal, interface, Gig Ethernet 0, IP address, and make the address static. Let's say 40, same as mask as in VMnet 1, I think it was /24, and there. It's already up, so do save, and this problem should be over. So, what else? Okay. Oh, yes. So we will try to use SecureCRT to control this virtual machine. So using that management interface, 10.11.30, it's an older one. Let's start 10.11.40, telnet port is correct, connect. You get this problem here, password required but not set. To be able to use SecureCRT, you will have to activate VTY, configure, okay, I'm gonna have to reload before that problem goes away. I'll just configure this real quick. Live VTY 04, password, say Cisco, privilege level 15, and what else should we add? And no login, and to save. Oh, there's something else on the interface. Okay, Ethernet 0 interface. No, keep alive. And save. Okay, problem over. Now, let's see if we can connect. And there. All good. Now you're ready to use the virtual machine of CSR1000v from SecureCRT. So if you have a bigger lab, for example, let's say this, and control everything from here without just going through tabs of this, and on VMware Workstation, click, then you need to unlock the cursor and keep trying and move it around. So after that, reload, then everything will be ready. In the future videos, I will be combining CSR1000v with IOUs and probably XRV to form some basic testing labs. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.